Hello guys, welcome to this session of Ruby programming tutorial. In this session we are going to see about a class program. Here we are creating a class and this is a class name. To create a class, this is a syntax. Class and class name, and then you can put what are the member variable or methods, whatever you want inside the class, what are the objects that you wanted to create. That's the syntax. And here we are creating a method. We are defining a method using the keyword define, and the method name is initialized, and we are passing a parameter name. We are passing a parameter here. Here the transaction is the instance variable. I have already talked about the instance variables, which is nothing. We are creating an instance which works throughout this class. Only the difference between the instance variable and the local variable is in instance variable you can use the variable inside anywhere inside the class, but in local variable you can access the variable only inside the block, but in global variable you can use anywhere of the program that variable that you declared. Okay, that's fine. And we are creating a transaction variable, instance variable, and we are creating an array, and also we are creating an instance variable name balance, and we are initializing it as 0, and then we are creating a definition method named as deposit, and I'm here print how much would you like to deposit. I'm just prompted to the user that how much I want to deposit, how much amount that you want to deposit, and I'm creating here a local variable. Gets is the method which which read the input that given by the user, and chomp is nothing which is used to spacing in left and right of the data that we are inputting, and then we are using the instance variable here once again in this method, which we equalize the variable to amount plus or equal to, which represents equality. We are assigning a balance equal to whatever the amount that the user inputted, and if it is string we are just converting that into float, whether it may be integer or any value, we are just converting it into float, and then we are printing the amount that is deposited. Whatever the user has inputted, that amount is written as will show that this amount is printed. And to show the balance of the user, bank account user, we are just creating another method which puts a balance, which defines your balance is this much amount that he entered. And at last we are creating a constructor bank account dot new. We are just creating a new object, creating a new object to represent these methods, to declare these methods, and then we are in other programming languages we uses these stuffs inside a main class, but there is no main method such things in Ruby programming language. So we are just using this outside of the class scope of the class. Bank account dot class, we are just declaring bank account dot class, and then we are just calling this class because we have already used the constructor to new, and then bank account dot deposit. We are just calling this method, and it works whatever that the instruction that you have given inside, and then we are just calling bank account show balance, and then it shows whatever the balance that he has. And we are going to now we are going to output this. Just we are going to compile this program, Ruby bank account dot rb. Sorry. Yeah, here's this. When it calls the bank account dot deposit methods, the first instruction here is how much would you like to deposit here. I have more money, so I just deposit over $80. Yeah, here it is. $80 are deposited. Your bank balance is 80.0. After this is the process that this is the simple example to define describe the class. What actually happens here means I'm just creating an initial instance variable, and then I'm creating, wait a minute, instance variable, and then I'm defining a method which prompts the user to input some data to the command prompt in the command window, and I'm just equalizing the balance to the whatever the amount that he inputted, and puts it writes the data that he delivered, and next step I'm defining another method which shows how much balance that I am having. After that, we are calling all the functions. We are just calling all the functions. Before calling these stuffs, it won't work. So after these methods have been called, every program and every instructions take place, and it works correctly. And that's the simple program which describes the class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.